Hi everyone and welcome to our latest tutorial where we will be showing you how you can create a stunning travel agency website using Crocoblock plugins, which is jet engine, jet booking, custom post types with just one-click installation. Travel agencies are in high demand today as more and more people are eager to explore new destinations and experiences. However, with many travel agencies out there, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and attract potential clients. This is where having a professional, visually appealing website can make all the difference. In this tutorial, we will be using Crocoblock's Jet Engine and Jet Booking, the two powerful tools that make it easy to build a custom travel agency website no matter your technical skills. There are two ways to create a travel agency website. One is the manual from scratch and the second is the one-click installation which is provided by Crocoblock. If you go from the manual path, with Jet Engine you can create custom post types, taxonomies, meta fields in a matter of minutes. And with Jet Booking you can easily add a booking system to your website so your visitors can make reservations directly from your site. The first step is to install Jet Engine and Jet Booking. Then we'll have to create a custom post type for destinations, then custom fields for destinations like title, destination details, then create a custom taxonomy for destinations. Step 5 is to display your destinations to your website. Then setting up the booking system with Jet Booking. You can also use WooCommerce for accepting payments all over the globe. Crocoblock supports PayPal and Stripe, which is built-in feature in Jet Booking. You can use the API keys and you can directly integrate on the website. Destinations can be displayed on the front end with listing items. This was the manual method. Let's see how we can install this dynamic template which consists of all the post type custom fields with just one click. So let's see the installation. First, WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, in the Crocoblock dashboard you will find the Crocoblock wizard, which is essential for the one-click installation of the entire booking template. So you'll have to download the Crocoblock wizard, and inside plugins now we can add inside plugins now we will add the Crocoblock wizard. With Crocoblock wizard we can easily install the template with one click. Click on let's go. If you want to install Jet plugins, click on Jet plugins installation. If you want to import the entire template, then click on full Crocoblock installation. We'll click on full Crocoblock installation. Hit install. We will be using the Hello theme. Hello theme from Elementor is super powerful with optimized performance. Continue with parent theme. Now the theme Hello Elementor is getting installed. For the travel agency website, we will go with Travelango dynamic website template for Elementor. Here you will find two types of template. One is the static template and the second is the dynamic templates for making super powerful dynamic websites. Recently, Crocoblock has added the job board from which you can create websites like Monster, Indeed with just one click. So in this tutorial, we will be using the travel agency template, which is the Travelango. Just click on start installation and the entire template will be installed. So these are the prerequisites. Click on continue. So now the dynamic template is being installed. We would also recommend Elementor for full customization of this travel agency template. So the entire installation executes on the back end, and as you can see, this is just a one-click install, and you have seen this is so simple and so quick. Next, click on replace any existing content with the demo content. Click continue. Now Crocoblock is importing a sample data. You have to enter the password. Now the sample data is being imported. So the sample data has been imported. Just click on continue. So now Crocoblock is optimizing the performance of the website. It's very important. Performance is the utmost importance. So the template has been imported. Let's see our new travel agency website. So this is our new travel agency website. We can customize each and every part. You can see this is the listing. These are the taxonomies or the categories. Here you have the search option. You can search. So this is the entire dynamic template. You can customize the filters. So that's it. With Crocoblock's Jet plugins, you can easily create a stunning travel agency website with just one click. So start building your Crocoblock, Elementor and WordPress website today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction for more such tutorials. We'll see you next time.